Whether we are students, employees, entrepreneurs, or all three, we all need some creative me time so we can escape to a place we call our own and relax into our creativity, isn't it? Hi, my name is Mehak. I am a watercolor artist, art educator, and an illustrator. Although I have worked with different mediums, but painting with watercolors is my absolute favorite. For me, watercolors gave me a sense of purpose and something to look forward to when I was feeling lost. The story and feelings will be different for everyone, but there is a comfort and peace when you find a hobby you love and have the chance to practice it. And I hope I can encourage you to paint with watercolors and fall in love with it. So, in this class, I will be teaching you how to paint these dreamy and moody tulips on this old, rusty, vintage deckled edges paper. I will start by taking you through a quick overview of the supplies that I use, followed by some watercolor techniques so you get a chance to practice them first. I will then show you how to use ink and stamps with watercolors and how to create your own deckled edge paper if you don't have fun. We will then get down to painting this amazingly beautiful vintage looking paper, going through the process of painting this gorgeous tulips with ink, add some stamps and have fun. Most importantly, you don't need any previous experience with painting to enjoy this course. Just an open mind and enthusiasm to absorb the knowledge and learn new skills. So, without any further delay, let's dive right in.